Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Kucoin's DCA trading bot. So I just tap on my Kucoin account and officially logged in. I will be just tap on my trading board which is in dashboard option, and when I get inside after loading you will see, so here you will see there is an option of cost averaging. I just tap on it and the last option is you will see DCA. So make profits from regular investment. I just get in. So how to run DCA? So I will just read it. Dollar cost averaging DCA is an investment strategy in which an investor divides up the total investment across periodic purchases of a target asset to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. So despite the difficulty to foresee the market movements, DCA can help control risk and deliver stable returns by diversifying investments in the long run. So it is suitable for investors who don't have many funds but have a stable income. So as the goal of investment is to earn profits, it is suggest to have a clear profit target before you start the DCA board. So that's it. So I will just tap on this next button. So from here you will see, from here you will just select the coin or currency. So investment frequency, if you invest for 1 day or 12 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, so just select it from here and just type the amount for investment and just tap to create it. So the time of first investment upon board activation. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.